Hey everyone, it's Jane Harrington here, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I got my April paper pumpkin box in today, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you real quick, and then later I'm going to do a video to show you some different alternative ways you can use it. So first of all, let's get right into it. This is paper pumpkin, and I kind of peeked. I didn't open it yet, but I did peek, so that's why my paper's a little messy. Sorry about that. So we have Pear Pizzazz as our Stampin' Spot. You know, every paper pumpkin subscription comes with a Stampin' Spot and then a stamp set. So this one is all about family. In fact, the name of the box is My Wonderful Family. So let's see if I can show you what these stamps say. Family, where life begins and love never ends. Then there's a sister, daughter, brother, dad, mom. And then Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day. This one up here says, I'll always be here for you. There's a tree, and it's a two-part, so you can, maybe you want to do this one in brown and this one in green or whatever. There's some leaves. Oh, here's another one I missed. I'm glad you are my family. And this is a beautiful set. Oh, here's To My Wonderful. Excellent. So this is going to be an awesome stamp set to use when you're sending things to your family. So the first thing we see in here is an advertisement for next month's paper pumpkin, just in color. The reason that it is in white, the kit is not a white kit. They are featuring in this May kit the in color line for 2020 to 2022. So one of the things that Stampin' Up! Does that's wonderful is they have in colors that are 2-year colors. It's a line of 5 every year they bring out, and we in this kit get to see what the new colors are, so that's really exciting. They'll be debuting them. We'll get to play with them early before the new catalog comes out. So this is our current catalog right here for 2020, and it'll be retiring in June. The new catalog comes out, so that's really, really exciting. I can't wait to play with the new colors. The first thing I notice is they've got some ribbon in here. Looks like it's maybe Rococo Rose, which is actually one of our in colors for this year. So yeah, like I said, I opened it. I had to peek, but I didn't actually open the inside yet. So I'm going to take this out, putting my box aside. This is what the kit looks like this month. It looks like there are 8 full-size cards, and they are beautiful. So let me open them up, and you can see what all of the different things look like. Now, sometimes in Paper Pumpkin they do cards. Sometimes they give us treat boxes or decor like a calendar. Sometimes they do little gift bags or gift boxes. So it all depends on the month, and every month is a different theme that's different. So here are some Stampin' Dimensionals, which let our things pop off the page. Here are some little pearls in 2 different colors. Looks like maybe mint macaron and so saffron maybe. So let's see, here are envelopes that are really pretty because they have the flap. Okay, I'll put and here's another color of envelope here. It's a darker green, and might be shaded spruce. Life's greatest blessings begin and end with family. It is in families that we learn to love, teach what is most important, and grow together in love and laughter. Grateful for you, happy to be yours. That's a sweet sentiment. So it looks like this might be the inner sentiment for the card. That's the first time I've seen them do an inner sentiment before. That's wonderful. So these cards look like they fold like so. Whoops, did I do this right? So you notice there's no line there. So they give you the folds themselves, and since I haven't done this project, I don't know what I'm doing. But so they score it so that you don't have to fold it yourself. So that's one. I guess we'll find out when we do the project, won't we? Here are some little die cuts, and some more die cuts. They're banners. And these are some more of those folded cards. And here is the same kind of card, but in green. I'm anxious to put these together. These aren't just your standard cards. These are kind of cool. These are some more die cuts. And, oh, some more die cuts, the banners and tags. Here's a tree die cut. Yeah, so that is, oh, and they also have thrown in, these are the little glue dots. So that's what's in our kit this month. And, oh, as usual, let me show you, this is the instructions. The instruction kit here, or the one that goes with the kit. So you'll see there's a ruler along the bottom, and all of our instructions are right here. They also have videos online. You can look on YouTube on Stampin' Up's website. They will have instructional videos to show you how to put your kit together. But as always, I like to tell people you don't have to follow the rules. You can make up your own. So if you don't like these, you can use the products to make your own designs. So I'll show you a few paper pumpkin alternatives for this month in another video. And if you want to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, just remember, there's no obligation. You can cancel any time. You can either prepay by the month, by 3 or 6 or 12 months, or you can do a month-to-month subscription. And it's a little bit over $20 a month, and you get all of this in your kit. So you always get a Stampin' Spot, and you always get a stamp set. And in your first kit, you will also get an acrylic block. It's a D size, so it's a great size that fits just about everything. And if you subscribe with me, I always like to send my Paper Pumpkin customers and subscribers a Stampin' Pierce mat, because that gives you a beautifully crisp and clear image when you're working with the photopolymer stamps. So if you'd like to subscribe, you can go to paperpumpkin.com. If you need a demonstrator, then I would be happy to be yours. My name is H. Jane Harrington. I'm out of Pinson, Alabama. And I hope you have a great time with your new paper pumpkin. So I will be back in touch with you with a new video to show you how to put all this together. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.